So I pulled in some old model boxes from home, brought them into the office. I've got this Spitfire model here that I'd already started, got partway through, and for whatever reason stopped building it. But we're nearly there. Maybe we'll do something with it. I quite like the idea of just putting some crazy paint scheme on there rather than the actual original sort of military paint scheme on there. But we'll see. There's a few different variations, and I think the decals are always quite fun to use anyway, so I might keep them for something else. But I think what I was most excited about was maybe doing something with these Gundam models. I was never really into the whole lore around it or anything like that. But I like the kits. The pink one I think is a bit stupid, so I never had anything to do with that. But this little ball thing, it's... See, I assumed I just glued it all together, but I think it's just such a good quality kit that all the pieces just push together. And I'm amazed that you can pull the panels off and there's so much detail underneath them. It kind of seems a shame to cover them all up, really. And I don't think I even painted this kit. I don't think anything on it has been painted. I just put it together. And I didn't really want to spoil it. I had some sort of plans for it, but I didn't really know what. So, you know, it's a couple of pieces broken off here and there, but I think it might be worth having a play with. I mean, it's difficult to see on this video, but the detail in it is just insane, and I'm sure anyone that's done these kits before will just appreciate what good quality they are. I think this particular thing, whatever it's called, bally thing, um, is it a mobile pod ball? I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it's just such good quality. Look, you can even see the little motors on the back swivel around. It's got some little arms with it. So yeah, I don't know. I'm going to do something with it. Maybe paint it like the golf colours or something. Even this little thing on its own, I mean, I don't know. I'm not really into the whole scratch build thing. I think it's great when other people do it, but it's not my kind of thing. But these could be used for all sorts of cool projects. So yeah, I don't know. I'm open to ideas. Maybe stick a little Pikachu head in there or something. Got these little sharks as well. They were bought for something that I'm actually going to do differently. And now kiss. I think I'm going to 3D print these guys rather than use these models. His little arms. I mean, how cool are they? And yeah, this weird pink guy. I know he doesn't need to be pink, you know, I can paint him differently, but man. Hang on, here's an idea. Maybe? I mean, this pink robot dude, I know he kind of transforms a bit, but he really does suck. It's just such a horrible model. I mean, his face is cool, you know, could do something with that, maybe. I don't know what. It seems a waste not to do anything with it, but I'm really stuck. So this is off my other guy. I've got another, the shield's off of another Gundam that I've painted up. And the shield broken off, unfortunately. But he was quite cool. Maybe I'll do a little video on him at some point. I mean, look at those shoes. He's got like Cuban heels. It's just mad. Good calves though. Little flared trousers. I mean, it's clearly from A-Time, isn't it? It's got a little gun. Pew, pew. So yeah, don't know. Gonna do something with it. Paint up this little fella. I think he's cool. It might be good to have maybe some of the panels off of it. Really no idea.